Hey guys, it's Miss Kegs and I'm back with a hair video. So as you guys know, I've been working on my hair, getting it up, getting it back to its health, and I've been working with it in its shrunken state. Today I woke up and chose to have pretty hair. So today what I wanted to do was, I typically do a wash and go, but sometimes that's boring, so I wanted to achieve an afro. A shrunken afro. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been wearing my hair in afros. Maybe a stretched afro, maybe a short afro, and it's really cute and I get a lot of compliments on the street. But today I want to see what my hair is looking like in its full shrunken state in an afro. So I've done this before, but it never works out. But today I was just like, let me try something different. In this video, my hair is freshly washed. All I did was use shampoo and conditioner, no deep condition. As you can see, I section off my hair, I apply my leave-in conditioner, I apply my moisturizer, and then I comb out my hair. And then I just leave it. When I was doing this, I really didn't know how it was going to turn out. But I'm thankful that I've been going to the salon to get my hair regularly trimmed because I do think it helped with the shape of this style. I've heard of a video circling around about this black woman who's just fed up with the natural hair community, and she just wants to be able to just literally wear her hair in her most natural state and go out. And I'm definitely for that, and I feel like that's always been my philosophy, but I've never actually executed it. So as you can see, I'm trying to execute it today, and I'm excited to see the results, and I hope you guys like the results as well. Wearing my hair in its natural state shrunken has definitely been a game changer for me in terms of mindset, because it's weird to say, but I'm getting used to how my hair looks, and I'm loving how my hair looks. And I think I look good. Some may not think my hair looks good, but I think it looks beautiful and it suits me very well. This is sort of a tutorial video, but it's really, I don't know, I'm just showing you my process because I didn't know what I was doing. Like, look, I'm picking out my hair, but I don't think my hair wanted to be picked out. So I'm just fooling around trying to see what works, what doesn't. So this is very experimental, but if you follow this video as a tutorial, go ahead, tell me your results. But I wanted a side part. I always do middle parts, but I'm like, let me do a side part. Okay, as you can see right now, it's not the shape. This is just the foundation, and then we have to go and work it out. During Amazon Prime Day, I bought a diffuser to help with my wash and goes. I have no idea how to use it, but that is all right. I'm so used to using a hooded dryer, but I thought maybe a diffuser would be cute to help my hair dry faster, but it doesn't help my hair dry faster. I feel like I have to use it for so long. So if you can't tell, my hair is actually wet. It is very wet, so I'm using this diffuser to help dry it. And I know when I dry my hair, it shrinks even more. So it looks big now, but it's probably gonna shrink. No, it's not probably, it's going to shrink. So you're gonna see that process. I guess my strategy here was to pull it and stretch it out so it doesn't shrink up so much, but I really don't know what I was doing. I told you guys, this is all experimental. So now it is kind of dry, more so the outer parts, and now I'm patting it to create the shape that I want. My hair shape from the cut is sort of top heavy, which is what I want. I am due for a trim at the end of this month, but I'm just trying to form the natural tape cut that I want. So me and my stylist are working slowly on a heart shape. So that's what I'm going for. So just to fake it till I make it, I'm just patting it into the shape that I desire. And that's what I love about afro hair. Like, we could do so much with our hair. We could shape it to what we want. We could stretch it. We could braid it. We could straighten it. We could do anything we want. The world is ours. You know that meme that's like, slay, slay, and then it goes, slay your enemies. That's how I feel with my natural hair. I'm gonna slay the people with my hair, my glorious hair. Okay, it's coming together. Trust the process. One of the things I don't like about my hair, and I'm gonna be honest, my hairline. I have my mom's hairline, and I'm trying to hide it because when I got my hair braided, I sort of kind of ruined my hairline even more. So I'm trying to cover it with this side bang. Don't tell nobody. But it's cute. It's cute. Yep, so that was this was actually my first time trying to do this like afro. I've done it before. It never looked good, and I think that is attributed, well, I think the reason why it looks good now, in my perspective, I love my hair now, because I get it cut. Getting your hair shaped is what's gonna make your fro look cute. I know when I was wearing my hair shrunken, wasn't a fan of it because it didn't look good. And you know what? It's okay to say your natural hair doesn't look good. And it's usually doesn't look good is because it's just not maintained well. And for me, I wasn't getting my hair professionally trimmed and cut and shaped. So as a result, my fro's be looking cute. I feel cute. I feel confident. Yeah, so I'm feeling my hair. I look cute. I'm ready to go out, go to the streets, say hello, say hi to nobody because David, I love you. I want all my 4C, kinky coily, kinky, thick, thin, just 4 type hair. Like, look at our hair. Our hair is beautiful. Our hair is glorious. It just fits us so well. Nobody on this face of the planet can rock our hair like we do. So, like, we need to reclaim this natural hair movement. We need to get it back to this. Like, forget all all I used was a moisturizer and leave-in conditioner. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But right now, for today, like, this is like, if you have somewhere to go and you want to look cute, do this style. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I love wearing my afros, especially in the summertime. And I have no stress or no tension on my head. This is beautiful. Wonderful. Anyways, if you would like to see another video, let me know. Let's rock our hair.